Hi, this is Sandra, and you're checking out a chunk of my series of posts of my Lake Titicaca cultural tour in Peru. Wondering what makes the nature, history, people, and culture of Lake Titicaca so unique, and why you should visit? In Andean belief, Titicaca is the birthplace of the sun. Indigenous communities in Lake Titicaca Islands live with unique cultural richness. People practice the traditions of pre-Inca and Inca Empire until now. If I'm not mistaken, the Uros Islands, also called the Floating Islands, are what you probably picture when you imagine Peru's section of Lake Titicaca. Expect that to be featured here. And the second island that I'll be featuring is Taquili, a non-floating island. Taquili is especially known for its handicraft tradition.
Festival Cochista Humanaka que es la visita de Cristo. Chaste arunt aphamamawa aymara aruhata ne este saphamamaha kami saraki. Manakarak sapkhitata waliki. A ver.
Going to ask. Yeah?
Kami saraki.
Waliki.
Oh, no han desayunado. Uno más. Ya. Kami saraki.
Waliki.
Yus pagara.
Just Pagara, okay. So he told us that he is the boss of this island. Huh? The name of this island is Canamarca. Canamarca. ¿Qué quiere decir?
Maico. Cana es día. Marca es ciudad. Maico es cóndor.
Canamarca Maico. That's the name of the island. So Cana, that he tells is day. Marca is the town. And Malco is the condor. Yeah? So that's the reason that the top did have condor symbols. Yeah? So he tells that there are 4 families at this island, 12 people, everybody including children, yeah? All together. Yeah? And he tells in name of all families, welcome to the island. They are very happy because you're here. Yeah? You can take all pictures that you want. Later they invite to visit their houses. Feel like in home. Huh? Gracias.
Ya.
Okay. First, I want to show you reed. At the island, a reed really important, doesn't it? It grows until about 5 meters, but they cut when it has 3 meters usually. And they use for everything. They used to build this island, to build maybe the sofa, their houses, to make a reed boat, to make souvenirs, to make fire when it's dry, decoration of the island, and also to eat. It contains a lot of iodine, yodo, which is good for thyroids, but that's also good for teeth. Most of these people have a very healthy and white teeth. They don't really visit dentists, and I am sure that it's not usual that they brush their teeth, but they eat a lot of reed and it clean their teeth. So I'm not going to give you because that is strange for your stomach.
Yeah.
So he likes. It's like a celery, yeah, like a fresh lettuce, I think. Yeah?
Akaraki islataki.
And they eat and it can be part of the island. So, but to make island, they don't use only reed. If they like to make island, they have to use the root of this reed. Okay. It's very light. It's like a sponge. This is floating. This is floating.
Yang tuma.
Oy.
Very light.
Very light, yeah.
They have this in all the area where the root, where the wheat grows. Around here they have a lot, but they told me that the best quality of this root is far away, on the shallow area, on many kilometers far away. That's where they find the best root. Why many kilometers inside? That's because it's more open at this area, but also during the rainy season. I mean, January, February, March, April. During the rainy season, the level of the lake increases, and the pressure helps to block big blocks of root. But also during the rainy season, the reed grows very big, and when there are big storms, the reeds move a lot, and it helps to block big blocks of root. But also, they find it gigant blocks, and when it's moving, start to washing all the earth. So that's the reason it's very light. So they find the gigant blocks, could be the size of this island, but they have to cut in a small pieces. Small pieces means about 10 meters long to 3 meters wide. Must be slim because they transport by a narrow route. So after half the blocks, they get eucalyptus from mainland. They train or they buy, and they introduce it 1, 2, or 3 in each block, and that's the transport and also to join again all the blocks. Before, their ancestors, they used the Andes grass, ichu, ichu. Have you been Cusco? Not yet, yeah? Tomorrow you're going to Cusco. On the way, you're going to see a lot of ichu. Also from Arequipa, if you can, you saw the ichu, the yellow grass. It grows in the altiplano, in the highland. And they used before to make a rose. But today, they buy nylon, synthetic, which is more strong. Yeah? They join all the blocks together like this. And very strong. Yeah? And after joining all the blocks together, they have to live like this for about 4 months. In this time, that root still has life. Look at that. So they live for 4 or 5 months because it starts growing, to join together once again to make only one. Later they cut the reed, and they have to put at the top many layers.
Primera semana trabajo.
First week 1 layer,
Segunda semana.
the second week another layer,
Tercera semana.
third week another layer until about 1 meter. So New Island has about 1 meter root, 1 meter reed, 2 meters.
Después así compacta aquí.
Okay?
Football, volley, and basketball.
You tell, after finish the platform, they have to compact. How do they make? They invite their neighbors, their friends, and they dance, they jump, they play volleyball, football. You tell, no basketball.
Just the totora extra.
Okay, for their houses, they have to use extra root. Here is very humid. Is it really wet? So it's not really inside.
Yeah.
Completely wet. The main problem that they have is rheumatism, arthritis. That's the reason they have to use extra reeds. Look at their houses are a little bit more hard. And every couple months they have to, I don't know, every year maybe they have to put the house, they have to move the house to put extra reeds.
Tanaka. Maya paya kipsa. Naira uta chikanta pa.
Then they do
Yeah.
that is the old-fashioned house. You tell they use as a kitchen or storage.
Maya paya kipsa. Macha puta.
Modern
Casa Blanca del presidente.
the White House of the president.
Y acá era chuncho quisiña. Torre Mirador.
The tower, communicate,
Ya para que cocina siempre makilipat halo.
For the kitchen, they use a big block of wood or flat stone. That's important because if they cook direct at the island, in 15 minutes, no more island.
Yeah.
Ya para que gas natural, combustible.
The same week, they buy it.
Ya para que cha-cha. Warmi. Baca cha-cha warmi. Khani warmi. Presidente de la isla.
President is his husband and the wife.
Primera dama.
They are couple.
Ya para que mawai na inamortasis kima tawa ponte. Ya para que movilidad Volkswagen. Su tipo de taxi romántico. Baba na escuela sarap ke wai na nakachayo wakaturik ano wakaturi especialmente wai na nakataki. Kan haniut kiti parque discoteca cine. Si mawain haki si mo enamorada pa sarap karigyo tutur mangkaro ket mapataka pa patak pis kapatak metro. Sarap khekh panini got kimsar gut an khaparo no.
Okay, to tell that this is the balsa. They used to go in fishing, to collecting eggs, to catch some ducks, to go in school for children sometimes. And also to tell that they use as a romantic time. Here at the island, no parks, movies, where the young people meet. They meet in the balsa. They go in far away into the shallow areas. And he tell as a joke that they go into and later come back.
Ya para que gondola.
They have also small modern motorboats.
Maha chawal sa humana kataki su tipo de Mercedes Benz. Kaisla tu ya kaisla sa tanya laki no. Ma aventure ham tuntay.
For adventure to tell.
Positung kapasahero.
The Mercedes-Benz. Where's the Mercedes-Benz? Where's the back? The big boat. So they invite to use the big boat from here to the second island. Tell is for about 30 people that we do. So later we have fun with it.
Bueno, la cruz tatawa. Quizá faltar que igual importante.
The island is finished, but something really important is missing.
Ancla.
The anchor.
Anang klase kerek kan Bolivia ra papitas pa problema kas pa presidente e
If they don't use anchors to tell, maybe they wake up in Bolivia. Big problem for President Evo Morales.
Sakal kan klan.
8 anchors this island.
Okay.
Okay, for the anchors, I told you that we're located on the Willy River, 25 meters deep. Nobody swim and put the anchor inside, impossible. One anchor is at the island, and with a big rope, the other anchor, they introduce it on the shallow area. Look at it in the back. In front. That is not too far, and it's shallow. That's where they introduce it the island. They are also anchored with their neighbors, and also they have anchors in front, behind the island. That's very dangerous because there are many motorboats with a big propeller. That's the reason they have to put heavy stone around the rope to keep inside, so the motorboats cross with any problem. Yeah? Could you imagine inside here? There are many ropes from one side to the other side with the big stones. Yeah? Okay, so this is a good demonstration of how do they make island. Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Disparará.